Are you looking for a Destiny tracker platform? In that case, you are at the right place, as we have the solutions you need. This is the Windows Club. Destiny trackers have emerged as one of the go-to platforms to check the statistics of almost any player in the game. These are free-to-use tools and offer a hoard of data. But the catch here is that there aren't many of them. So let's get cracking on understanding the best Destiny trackers. Option 1. Destiny KD. The first option we have for you is Destiny KD. Here, you will find details for every game mode and irrespective of the platform you are using. Whether you are using a PC, Xbox or PlayStation, Destiny KD will come handy everywhere. Destiny KD will enable you to track your kill-death ratio and also how many kills you need to improve your statistics. Along with that, you can also get details of your performance in the previous Crucible match, subclass and loadouts. So, if you are interested in using Destiny KD, head over to their official website, search for a Guardian name, and you will get all the details you need. Option 2. Raid Report. Now, if you are one of the players who is interested in raids, then Raid Report is the ideal Destiny tracker for you. This is a web-based application and it keeps track of all your Destiny raids. Also, the user interface is quite intuitive and easy to use. So head over to the official website, search the Guardian's name and get all the statistics. Option 3. Trials Report. Trials Report works just like Destiny KD and Raid Report. It helps you find all the details you need. It is also a web-based application, and once you are on the official website, you can easily find all the information. Option 4. Destiny Tracker. Now, if you have come this far in this video, thank you. We have saved the best one for you. An app named Destiny Tracker is also available to help you get all the information. This app is available on Windows, iOS and Android. Now, when this app is running, you can stats relating to trials. For example, you can look at weekly, monthly, seasonal or lifetime statistics of opponents. It also enables you to track your personal progress. Additionally, if you want to check weapon stats, then you can do that as well using this platform. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.